This is Dallas and Bella and our new baby T-Bo. Dallas is just a little over 1. T-Bo's 8 weeks. And Bella's a big girl. She's 3, I believe. Right, Jess? T-Bo can't catch that. What are the girls doing? What are the girls doing? Aw, Bella, you should let the baby play. You want to play? Aw, that's no fair. That's really no fair, guys. I just want to play. I'm a big boy. I'm a big boy. I want to play with you guys. Look at T-Bo, Dallas. He goes, oh, Bella. Here we go. Nobody's going to play with it because I'm going to sit on it. You giving T-Bo kisses, Dallas? Bella, you better get a drink of water. Sounds like you worked yourself too hard.